this is Chantal from the Purring Cat Studio, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming from the campground, and I received these washi tapes from Amazon before I left the house. So I thought, well, I really want to open them, so how about I do it while I'm at the campground. So I have scissors to try and take these little stickers out, and why don't I show you? So I hope the sound is good because I'm not home, and that's why the angle might be different. So I'm going to try and remember that the angle is like this, like that. Oh my goodness, this might be a little harder than I thought. Oh, I'm going to do my best to try and remember where you guys are. Maybe I'll sit diagonally because you don't see how my camera setting is, but hold on. Let me fix this tiny bit. Maybe this is better. Okay. Because earlier I tried to film and I realized I was upside down. Not upside down. For you it was not upside down, but my hands were... Anyways, it was weird. Okay, so I'm trying to make sure. I might have my arm around it a lot, but... So, this set of washi tape was $30. Now, I don't know, I thought this would be like a permanent thing where I could put it in, leave it in, I mean, but it seems very tight too. Anyways, so I don't know how much there is in each of them. Let me try and zoom in. This is going to be complicated. Hold on, I gotta try and get up and find the zoom, and then won't move anymore. Oh, well, you know, even if I'm at the campground, it doesn't change much because every time I try and zoom in, I zoom out. So at least there's a little something from home. So yeah, these are beautiful washi tapes. Now, there's not a whole lot on them. I don't know if you can see that. See? This is pretty big and there's not a whole lot. I would have to like to start unrolling and see just how much there actually is, but let's not forget that you get 100 for $30. So you know what, you got to think however much there is, it's still a pretty good deal. And oh my goodness, yeah, I hope you can see those properly. They're really beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun. Oh yeah. I think the one I took was, oh, I don't know what the name is. I'm gonna try and link it for you. Let me see. What is that? Oh yeah, a bee. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Let me see if I can... Oh, I have to try and stay in camera. Hold on. Okay. These are beautiful. Oh, wow. And there's so many. Wow. Okay, let's see in the colorful ones. What is this one? Oh, yeah, I see airplanes and... Okay. Wow. My good. Oh, yeah. Those are very, very nice. Oh, some have flowers. Ooh, look at those. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. They're so beautiful. There are so many. I don't know where to start. I love the ones with tickets. They're really, really, really nice. And flowers right here. Yeah, you know what? For $30, I know there's not... those are not super thick. You know, like you can see the roll is not as thick as, let me see, I think I brought some that I had here. Let me see. Yeah, like, see the thickness of the tape I have here? You can see there's a lot compared to these, right? There's a lot, and it's heavier, and this is very thin. But again, that was just $30. You know, $30 for all these, and I have different images, and there's, oh my God, there's even a brain. Oh my goodness, what is this? I need my glasses. Hold on. Oh, oh gosh, let me see. What is on? Oh my God, a tooth. Hold on. A tooth fairy's coming. Okay, this is like medical. Wow, there's bones, a jawbone. Okay, that is something else. What is this one? Oh, people dancing. I don't know if you can see. That's really nice. I won't be able to show you all of the 100. I mean, I would have to spend an hour looking through those, but I'm trying to grab. Oh yes, look at that. That's like steampunk. Let me see. Hold on. Are they both like that? Yeah, you have clocks and cog wheels. That's really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh my goodness. This is pretty amazing. This is like advertisement from, I don't know, 50s, 60s era. Not my jam, but I have it, and you never know. What is this one? Yeah, this is really, oh yeah, look at that. It's really vintage and all. I really love it. That's exactly what I wanted. Oh, wait, let me open this one. Where's the start? Yeah. Oh, hold on. Yeah, there it is. Let me see if I can. There we go. Very pretty. I am really trying to be aware of the camera. I have to look up in the screen of my camera to make sure I'm in frame. What does this say? I am a traveler. Goodbye. Okay. Nice. And what's this one? Let me see first. I don't know. A car. It's like there's a dog, a dress, a car. I don't know. It's really sweet though. And what is this that I see? Greeting card. I don't know. What is this one? Oh, kitchen things. My goodness. The variety, I have to say. Like, I know, like I've mentioned, you know, they're not, and these are the tiny, tiny ones. Let me see. See? I usually don't use them a whole lot. These ones, well, actually, I've never had such thin ones. So I will find a use for them. Absolutely. Why not, right? And they're very beautiful. Oh, this one has butterflies. I gotta see this one. Oh, yes. There, see? This is really nice. Yeah, they're not as thick as others. Ooh, mail. Like postage. Wait, this one. So no, they're not as thick, because this is all the. Wait now. Hold on. Is this tape too? Or is this the cardboard? No, I'm right. I'm right. It's not a whole lot, but you know, $30 and you get a. Oh my goodness. I keep interrupting my own self because every time I look, I see something else that's gorgeous. Wow. Oh. Oh my goodness, look at this one. It's like like clouds and moon and stars and wow. Okay, this is really beautiful. I'm going to have so much fun. Oh, look, this is that's my sign. I'm a Libra. Well, you know what? I don't regret it 1 second. I knew there wasn't going to be like super thick or oh, look. I just did a book lover journal. You probably saw the video. If not, I invite you to check it out. And these, oh my gosh, this is the exact image that was on my, this is the book lover journal. Right there. Oh, wow. Wow. The variety of the washi tape is incredible. They are pretty. They are diversified. I have so many. I won't know where to start when I start using them. You know how it is, right? We get overwhelmed because we have so many beautiful things. But it's fine. I'll be overwhelmed. I'll survive. Oh, look at that one. I hope you can see. It's like there's old glasses and an old piano, a deck of cards, a pipe, an old revolver. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. Wow, I could spend all day looking at them. Well, not all day, but you know. Oh, I can't wait to use them. So I just wanted to show you because, you know, you look on Amazon and oh, these are just like blank tags. That's not bad. And we have a lot of these small ones, but they have all kinds of different designs. This is all locks. This has thank you. One is little envelopes. Yeah, they're really amazing. And there were different box set that you could get. This is the one that matched most of what I do, my type of things that I love to do. So that's the one I got, but you had many to choose from. So in other words, this one, okay, the style of this one, I just see it here. It's called Style Vintage. Well, hello. That's exactly me. So this is what I wanted to show you, but I also wanted to tell you that if you've watched my other videos, you probably remember me saying I wish I could sew. Well, my friends, I can sew because I found this that I've had this thing a long time. And I had this thing because I wanted to be able to like fix pants real quick. But for some reason, I didn't understand. It didn't work properly. I thought it was complicated and hard. And then yesterday morning, I think I got up. I looked at it, read the instructions properly for once. After years, I'm not kidding, this was somewhere in my closet. It even has an adapter, so you don't need batteries, although I put batteries in this one. And look what I did. That's right. I sewed paper. Isn't it beautiful? I sewed paper. And then I put these beautiful stamps. So, what this means is, now I will probably sew stuff and probably produce something in my idea journal that I will soon show you. But until then, like I said, this was a short video. I just wanted to share my new find on Amazon and tell you that in my eye, for $30, it is absolutely worth it to have all these beautiful choices of washi tapes. So that's it for me for today. I hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye-bye.